Happy spring, Arch Principals. I'm Jonathan Kruk, the Archdiocese of New York School Storyteller. Once upon a time, we taught through stories. Why, Jesus relied upon parables. Now you can rely upon me to enchant and educate your students with interactive performance workshops, which will help your teachers meet curricular goals. Why, I've got programs like Finger Fables for your little ones. I'm Rabbit. I'm the fastest in the Bronx.
Well, I'm Turtle, and I take it down the Grand Concourse slow and steady.
Also, we can travel around the world with fairy tales from various countries and cultures, and even meet the dragon who shows how when you share, you double whatever you have. And of course, you may want to start a revolution with your older kids in old New York, listening to stories like that of Sybil Luddington, the girl who outrode Paul Revere. And I've got mythology.
Prometheus, you have stolen fire!
And tales of King Arthur and his knights. Plus, stories of kindness and saints, and stories too, the parables of Jesus. Send me an email for program ideas and to book a day of storytelling. Remember, the costs are already covered by Catapult Learning. I look forward to hearing from you and to bringing storytelling to your school. Thank you.